Introducing Blackview DR750S 2-channel, the new cloud dashcam standard. Refining Blackview's signature design, the DR750S 2-channel reinvents dashcam performance. Both front and rear cameras feature a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor. We push the Starvis sensor to its limits so you can feel safe knowing your Blackview is recording clear videos day and night, whether you're driving or your vehicle is parked. When you just want best recording fidelity, Blackview delivers with up to 60 frames per second. The result is true-to-life footage that catches crucial details even in fast-moving objects. But there's more. Faster Wi-Fi for quicker downloads with the Blackview app, event video file protection, adaptive format-free file management, improved GPS, and of course, cloud connectivity. Blackview DR750S 2-channel. Dashcam without compromise. Find yours at blackview.com.
Speed and red light camera ahead. Speed limit is 70 miles per hour. Mobile speed camera zone